Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Bites by Vita, and today we're going to learn how to make cauliflower in chili butter. This is an epic dish that you do not want to miss, so hope you make it.
Oh my god, it is just so tender. It is like an explosion of flavors in my mouth right now. This is the mise en place. We have the cauliflowers that are quartered. We have the 2 onions that are divided into 8 portions. We have the lemon wedge to serve. We have 4 red chilies, which I've slit. Okay. We have olive oil, Rose Harissa. These are the 3 different types of chili. And they are Urfa, which is Turkish, or it's called isot pepper flakes as well. We have the red chili pepper ones. This is Gochujang, which is Korean, and there is Aleppo chili flakes in there as well. There is unsalted vegan butter. We have garlic. We have tomato paste, castor sugar, and that's it. Here's a tip that you guys should watch out for. So you just want to measure about 5 centimeters of the cauliflower should be exposed from the base. And then you want to cut it and then just keep the rest of it here so that you can add that to the tray. Also, by cutting it in this way, when you cut the whole cauliflower in quarters, it'll be easier to clean. So you want to make sure that you go into the nooks and crannies of the cauliflower. First thing you want to do is to bring a large pot of water to boil, and you want to make sure it's well salted. You also want to make sure you're preheating your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. To make the water boil faster, put on the lid. Line a big pan, a roasting pan, with parchment paper, but put some olive oil at the base so that the parchment paper can stick. It should look like something like this. Now that the water is boiling, you want to make sure you put in the quarters of the cauliflowers, and then to hold them down, just take a smaller lid and just submerge that in to keep that in. So now we put the timer. Meanwhile, you want to melt the butter down. Now that all the butter is melted, you want to pour it into a small bowl. And we're going to add all the ingredients for the chilies. Add the tomato paste and the garlic. Pepper. The Rose Harissa. And olive oil. Put all the cauliflower on a baking tray and make sure that the stem is exposed because you want to get that charred. So make sure we separate them well. Later. Now we're going to add the onions. And the chilies. It should look something like this. And now we're going to pour butter all over it. So I'm just gonna grab a spoon because I don't want to put all of this in. About this much. And now with gloved hands, you want to just make sure that you go in and really coat every nook and cranny of these vegetables, both onion and the cauliflower. And just get in there. Yeah, hold it. Going to go into the oven and it's going to roast at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. It's time to baste. So this is one of 3 basting that we are going to do. Basically, we don't want the top to dry out. I'm gonna make sure that it's kept juicy and tender all throughout. Okay, now we're gonna go put it back in for another 35 to 40 minutes. Also reduce it to 170 degrees Celsius. Holy mother of all cauliflower and vegetables. What an amazing roast. Oh my goodness. The smell. Oh, the colors. Just incredible. All right, let's do a taste test. I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice. Lemon. And then I'm going to dig in. Oh my God. It is not as spicy as I thought. It's just, it tastes like steak. It tastes like meat. Oh my God. It is just so tender. Honestly, I'm gonna make cauliflower like this all the time. Like an explosion of flavors in my mouth right now. I am like fireworks, but in a good way. It's not as spicy as I thought with all those chilies that I put in. It is actually quite sweet. Oh my God, you guys have to try this. I am always gonna make cauliflower like this. I never, ever in my entire life imagined cauliflower could taste this good. It is beyond, like, it's something that you will never expect how a cauliflower would taste. And the butter chili, perfect, perfecto. So I'm gonna go enjoy this. You guys go make it. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.